What's the deal, gang? One of these days, we're just going to do a silent stream. You guys know how we trade news. It's going to be like a test. Let's see how you guys do without me saying a word. ASMR trading. No, just quiet. Just complete quiet. Not even music in the background. ASMR NFP. So, yeah, we're gonna trade news here. Well, we're gonna wait for news here. We're not gonna trade the news. We're gonna trade the after effects of news, but we're gonna wait for it. Grave silence. So, I think we're in the same range from yesterday's agent session. Yeah, daily closed massively bullish. Strong drive. Tapped the resistance here. Now we're kind of ranging. But a pretty big range it is. I think it's like 100 pips. Let's mark up some levels. Yeah, we're going to see the news push, and we're going to look for a rebreak of wherever the news pushes. Get your 1 minute charts. Yeah, that's right. First 5 minutes of the news, we'll trade on the 1 minute, and then we'll jump to the 5. What do you think gold will do? I think it'll push. It'll move with a lot of oomph, with authority. Which direction? I don't know. I do not know. Does anybody work as a fortune teller here? I'm just wondering, because I wonder, like let's say a fortune teller. You know how you drive down the road and you see these little, like, small little house says fortune teller. Get your fortune right. What if those guys get sick of their job and they want like a side hustle, like to trade? Is that cheating? Or are they not fortune tellers? Like, let's say they decided to dabble in trading on their spare time. I figure like this would be this and like lottery. This, like, fortune tellers, I think this is where they would go. Always wanted to walk in and ask if they knew I was coming. Word. And ask them why they need a phone number if they know I'm going to call up and make an appointment. Just make me the appointment and I'll just show up. Last 15 candle before news. So employment change, unemployment rate for CAD. We don't give a shit. Sorry, my Canadian friends. But these, we do. It'll be interesting. Could get a mixed bag. We'll see. Really don't want this to be a long session today. I'm tired. I had like 2 hours of sleep. I think we'll do NFP, and that's going to be the session. Souffle, I'm straight. I stay my place. I'm a smooth operator. Oh, he passed yesterday. Yo, rip my homie Quan. I liked him. He was good. He was really good. Hold on. Lots of people can do it. Imagine having 20 remote viewers, then take an average chart direction. Could be good. That's something like the CIA would do. Early 2010s in a headlock. Yes. Yeah, I really liked him. I can't. He was young too. He was what, like 33. Only people using remote viewers extensively is the military. Yeah, you ever seen that movie, The Men Who Stare at Goats? That's a true story. Go watch that movie. You tired because of that fly from yesterday? Shit wore me out. But was it a fly or a mosquito? Men Who Stare at Goats. It's George Clooney's in it. Decent movie. There should be more movies on a similar topic. Actually, you can go. I think they have documentaries on that, and I think they've taken interviews from the people in the program. I'm pretty sure I watched one of them. It's been a while. You need more sleep, bro? I know. That's why I said let's NFP and be out. I need to go NFP. I'm long Bitcoin. Okay, D nice. Okay.
Ron. where are you? Where is Aaron right now? No Aaron, huh? Well, you better be sick, dead, or mute, Aaron.
D nice here. Aaron missing. Where's Balaki? Balaki in here? Well, that kind of rejected there. Now waiting for the news. Yeah, we have 7 minutes. 7 minutes for news right here. Let the games begin. I'd be gobbling up that 1 hour flip if no news. Yeah. You a goblin? The glizzy goblin. Oh, cheese and rice. I'm tired. But I'm a little tired. You think we could trade against each other on stream? What? There's no competition, bro. My only grind is against poverty, but you already knew that. That's it. I'm not trying to compete with any other trader, but you want to trade against me, you could do that. I'll take a buy, you, and then you'll take a sell. We'll see what worked out. It's a trade-off. It's a trade-off. Will someone have to lose? Not necessarily. We could both take a W. Remember, there's no right or wrong answers here. It's just perspective. For fun? I don't do this for fun. I enjoy what I do, but I don't do it for fun. I got other things I could do for fun. surprised you reading chat. No, that's what we do. You think this is a trading stream? No, we come here to read chat. Yeah, I read it a bit less when we're in positions, but right now I'm reading it. Why are most people that are looking for Damvo the ones that have no need to talk to him? People that are unaffected, untouched bystanders. He's my cash cow. Yeah, the last few days, for sure. Pedestrians, word. How pedestrian of you. Yeah. Just get on the sidewalk. If you're a pedestrian, get on the sidewalk, right? Because the streets ain't for everybody. These streets ain't for everybody. You guys seen that reel with the old man? He was like, you know why they made sidewalks? Because the streets ain't for everybody. We got 1 minute. Also, make sure, because you're going to see a spike here. Make sure that the spike, if we're going to be taking rebreaks of highs or lows, make sure that it lines up with what you have going on your broker, right? Because whatever is going to be here on Oanda might not line up exactly. Wix lies. Wix, have you actually spoke to Don just in general since it happened? What if legit got hacked or something? He didn't get hacked. I speak to him every day. He's trading. Spoke to him yesterday. Spoke to him the day before yesterday. He's trading. He's chilling. Oh, look at your spread right now. My spread is at 100 pips. I've never seen that. My spread is over 100 pips right now. 80 pips. 60 pips. Nah, I can't enter this. Not till the spread comes down. Wait. Yeah, if I entered, I'd be in drawdown 100 pips. Now it's at 9. Now it's 24. 40. That's crazy. The spread is wild. We should see a push or rebreak out of highs. How did the news drop? News hasn't dropped yet. Small pullback. No, no pullback. I'm gonna get in for a buy right here. Just got in for a buy on the rebreak of that high. Entry, 25.8. All right, close half here at 12 pips, and I'm gonna go break even here at 15. I need one more rebreak at a high so we can push a lit. Okay, closing full here at 20. Just closed full at 20 pips, okay? W. Congrats to everybody in the Signal channel. Entry was 25.8, and we closed it at 25.27.98. Okay, now how I'll play it from now on, we're gonna see a 5-minute closure here in 2 minutes. So we might still rebreak the highs and push now. If we pull back, I might take another rebreak at a high. I gotta see the level. Sorry, I didn't mark up a level here. This is key. What we want, we don't want to drive now. We want to pull back and we want to play the wick here on the 5. Okay? Give me numbers, Forex Factory. Ooh. Ooh. Bad numbers. Good for even. Good numbers, bad. So you got a whole mixed bag here. But the important news should bring gold up. Right? Non-farm employment. When did you start trading like this? What do you mean? This is how we always traded news. Sorry, no, it's just moving too fast for me to mark it on the charts here. But let's see what happens here. 5 closes in 1 minute, right? So if we can get it to close like this with a top wick, we will look for a bottom wick on the next 5, and we will look for a fill of this wick, right? We will look for something like this, and then fill this wick. Ideally down here, but we'll see. Closed at 20, got 15. No, I got 19. 201 wins. All right, we got 15 seconds for this 5 to close. Let's see if we could get a bottom wick and a wick fill to the top side. So lock in here again. 5. Fuck, that's kind of ugly. That sucks. But scratch that 5 idea because it filled the wick. Stops would have been below that 5, but we can't. There's no 5 here to take. It created a top wick first, and it's coming back down. Like it filled the range that we wanted. What can we look for? Filled the range we wanted, came down, made the bottom wick now. I'm looking to see if we can get in on the rebreak. You really can't. Not on the 5. Maybe on the 5. Yeah, I'm gonna take another buy here. Just took another buy. Just took a buy on a rebreak of the 5 high. It's bouncing up and down. You'd expect NFP to push a bit, especially now that we rebroke the high. If we start rebreaking the current candle high, we will look to go break even. But we're gonna need to break the current candle high. The entry here is right there. If we start rejecting, you might see a strong rejection because the range down is heavy. But I'd expect to push up with NFP coming out. Bad for gold. I mean, bad for the dollar, right? The 5 flip bearish. I'm not closing anything here. I'm gonna have stops here on the break of, they're steep, but they're gonna be like 200 pip stops. That was the break of the 5. Yeah, my stops are gonna be all the way down here below this candle. I'm also going to take another buy right here. I just took another buy as we tapped this area, the most recent high that we've had. Right? Entry is 2522.8 right there. We're going to see if we can hold that support. All right, closing full right here. Congrats to everybody. Another W. 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 Congrats. I'll tell you what this was right now. Let me look in the signal channel. Okay, 19 pips, 13 pips. Ugh. 5 pips. So I got a total of 5 pips on this second position and a total of 19 on the first. Everybody excited? Everybody happy? You got what you needed? Good enough? Yeah, I'm expecting a rebreak of the highs, but at this point, here's the, when it's not our position, I tend to manage risk a lot faster or a lot more aggressively because our position what we're looking for was the rebreak at this high, right? So we're expecting candle to keep pushing. Once it pulled back and it closed without pushing, this becomes less attractive to me because the chances of now it coming back up become a bit less after that closure, right? You would probably need to break this low, grab more orders, and then come up. And the reason I say we probably need to break that low is because, look, once we tap that low, this is the highest we could get. So you probably need more orders from here in order to drive further, right? Follow me? Follow my logic? Follow the reasoning? So that is why I close more aggressively once it's not our position. I understand where we can possibly take pineapples when it's happening, right? When we're taking a trade. I know that at this level we have a chance at a pineapple at the previous support, right? At the previous resistance that's now turning into support. So that's what we did. But that gives us a chance to manage risk. That's because now it's not our position. Once it gave us a chance to manage risk, I close out because our position was to drive above here. So yeah, that was our NFP, gang. Wasn't massively exciting, but we get out of it with 25 pips. Javier, you're out. What are you at, the doctor? Perfect close. Well, we'll see because look, it's still respecting that support, but it's perfect close in terms of our position. You're about to walk in now? All right, say what's up to the doc. Walk in there with a carrot. Just be like, what's up, doc? I've always wanted to do that. Why not apple? Because Bugs Bunny choose carrots. That's why. The spreads, yo, I've never seen a spread over 100 on gold. I've seen that on Bitcoin. Yo, that was the quickest 20 grand I've ever lost. I took a trade on Bitcoin not knowing what the fuck spreads were. And as soon as I clicked buy, my account went zero. Nope, blown. As soon as I clicked buy. 20 grand. Gone. Split second. You in a position? No, we got 2 W's here. Seen it at one time, one Asian Open when it spiked up 600 pips at open. Shit had 100 pips spread for a few minutes. Yeah, it's crazy. That must have hurt. I didn't know what happened when it happened. Like, I saw my account go to zero. I was like, how? Why? WTF? Yeah. And then people pointed out, bro, look at the spread. And look at your position size. I was like, what you mean? My position's good. It's chilling. Yeah, it's not there. What did I learn? That Bitcoin counts pips differently. Consider it a day. We're going to see this 4-hour through. Honestly, I came in here with the goal of being done with the stream by like 8:45. Congrats for 200. Yeah, well, we're at 202. I entered sells on the initial news dip. Anything I could have done differently? Yeah, wait for that low to be established here, and then your position, if you're looking, because that low was created in the first minute, right? So you should have waited for this low to be created, and once that first minute closed, you should have had sell stops here if you were looking for sells. That's crazy. How did the broker let you take the position? I'll tell you the broker. Actually, no, never mind. Let's not go there. You must own the faith of Bitcoin if you buy that. If you don't, you can't hold the position. Also me. Broker? No, they're no good. Blew my account in less than a second. No good. Market mechanic got a W in Asian session. What'd you guys get in Asian session? Like 30 something? My perspective is we should have a bear close today. As weekly is looking for a bear close, we could be idle for hours. Then a good setup. I don't know about how we close on a daily. That's too big of a time frame for us to just have a guess. I can guess how we close here on this 5 because there's 20 seconds here, right? Not much can change in 20 seconds. But the day is full of catalysts. So here's the thing. It's Friday, right? So positions are trying to finish out the week, right? Or whatever. The traders all over the world are trying to, you know, get this to where it's supposed to go, get it to fill ranges, and there's a lot of catalysts to really guess where the daily candle's going, right? Between all of these news, right? Between NFP, unemployment, all the numbers, whatever was coming out, and then there's a whole look. There's also, you know, unemployment, average hourly earnings, but then there's also FOMC member Williams speaks, right? So there's a speech right now, and then at 11 another speech. So there's so many and then you have 9:30, right? NYC open. You have London close, and it's gonna get very tough to call the daily candle, right? Because these catalysts could do whatever. Oh man, I can't wait to go to bed, go to sleep. My eyes are hurting from staring at the screen. Three minutes, 7 minutes, right? Oh, 8 minutes. I'm sorry, 8 minutes for this 4 hour to close. And if it closes like this, how often do you see this? You don't. You're going to see a top wick. At least if it's going to go down. But if it's going to go up, great, it's going to go up. So I think buys on the next 4 hour are in due order, right? And if you look to the left as well, you see, no matter where that bullish candle closes, next one doesn't drive straight down. It creates a top wick, grabs orders, then drives, right? So if you pull down initially, you can probably look for that bottom wick entry as long as it's at a level you drive off of, right? So then you'll drop down a time frame or two and look where market drives up from. This looks interesting right here, this area. Right there, right there. From those areas, the market drives up, fills the range. So we can bounce off this and fill the wick. That'd be great. What are you saying for NFP? We already got 2 dubs for NFP. We're good. Goodbye on the rebreak of the fire. Okay, rebreak of the high, caught 25 pips. Good job. Good job. Put the brightness down on your screen. I got all 3 screens here with all 3 of my screens here are all in dark mode. Oh man. Yeah, dark mode is lifesaver. There's a switch flip when I hit 40. Now I'm just one good nap away from world domination. Tired as hell too. That's how I feel. It's a very good way to describe how I feel right now. But I haven't hit 40 yet. Five minutes for this 4 hour. What a great closure on that second trade, because we never came back up to the initial entry. Or great pineapple, actually. All right. Are we looking for an entry? There's no we. There's me, there's you, and then there's chat. Everybody else in the chat. I'm curious here. Very, very curious. That's crazy. Spread back to normal. Spread's back at 2.5, 2. Wix the goat. Don't be nice. Stick with one image so we can find you easy. I caught you saying hour before Wix. Yeah, I say we when I take a position because I know you guys are in it. But you can't say we because when you take a position, you know I'm not in it. Keep talking about how great your entry was. Our entry wasn't great, but our risk management was great, right? Our risk management was great. Okay, 1 minute here. 1:45. 100 seconds. 100 seconds. My bad. Ruined my whole joke. You're like Eddie. Eddie always mistyping a word and shit. Where we gotta, instead of the joke, we always gotta concentrate on a word. And it's like, all right, that ruined the joke. Oh. Boys, I'm out. Gotta work out before work. W. Workout before work. That's great. Let's see if our levels are good where they are. I'm not too excited about this level. I think I want this here. Yeah, it just makes more sense on a 30 here. Made that bottom wick first. This is tough. Be careful. There's a level here to the left. It could flip bullish and then reflip bearish after tapping this. How many pips is there to come up though? Yeah, I'm not convinced with this. Your Discord link expired? Yeah, I've been too lazy to update it. There's many streamers out there, that's why I say so. Sometimes I missed the live because of a different image. Oh, you mean the thumbnail? That's what you're talking about. You know what? I was thinking about that. That maybe I need to keep the thumbnail the same so people could recognize it. 4 hour looks great for you to make a top wick or for you to drive up, but because we close below here, I don't want this to flip bullish and then drive down, right back down. Because I know there's a shitload of buy orders right here. People see the shit, they're like, oh, holy shit, yeah, we got a bottom wick, we got that bullish candle, we got a wick fill to the left, right? They're all about that buy, and I would be all about that with this opening if we closed above here, right above this level, or right below it. So yeah, it has range to come up to the upside, to the top side, but there are levels here to the left that make this a less than ideal situation. But don't let me stop you, you know what I mean? Like, you guys can be all over that shit like shit on Velcro. Just my position. This is what I didn't want. I didn't want it to flip and then reflip bearish. Support the thumbnail remaining the same. I'm gonna look into that. I gotta come up with a really creative thumbnail to keep it the same, and I think we might do that because you're right. Like that's ever since I started doing the thumbnails, the viewers have gone down, and it's probably because people can't find me. So you do have a point. You are not wrong. Yeah, thumbnails are cool, but for most people, they're irrelevant, right? They're fun, but they're irrelevant. True, I'm here daily and I'm struggling to find your stream. You know, when I started doing thumbnails, I thought it'd be like creative and it'd be cool, it'd be fun. This is exactly why we did not take that 4-hour flip. You see it flip bullish. There's a level that we literally just spoke about this. There's a level right here, and you flip bullish right into a resistance. As much as I love the clever ones you make, I agree with chat. Never thought about it like that until they said something. Yeah, like I thought about it before, but I wasn't really proactive about changing anything because like I didn't feel like chat felt that way. But now that you guys are saying it, you're probably right. Hey, every day with glue was good. Just don't call me Wixie Poo. The fuck? Your favorite lovable, huggable fuzzball. Game of Thrones theme thumbnail? Yeah, we had that last week. Yeah, Wixie Poo is wild. Keep this one, was my favorite. Which one? The one from today? Breaking Bad one? Don't act like that. Only Wix's wife can say that to him. She wouldn't do that. Game of Thrones? No, I'm not going to keep the Game of Thrones one because it doesn't really have the whole concept of the fact that we trade gold here, right? I think the thumbnail's got to get across the point that we're scalping gold. I'm still holding those buys. Pray for me. Yeah. Yo ass needs pineapples. Well, not your ass, but you. Who's seen Lil Nicky? Anybody seen Lil Nicky here? The devil movie, yeah, where the devil shoves a pineapple up Hitler's ass. It's funny as hell. So when I said your ass needs a pineapple, it reminded me of Hitler getting a pineapple stuck up his ass in hell. Yeah, with Adam Sandler. So if this is to reject anywhere, it will be either here or here. 25.10. But once it rebreaks these lows here, that bitch gone. I don't know. What else are we gonna do? Just sit here and bullshit? Chat. It's Friday. It's Friday. I know. I know you don't smoke. I know this, man. But it's Friday. I'ma get you high today. Cause you ain't got no job. And you ain't got shit to do. Trade for 2 more years, then you can see that coming. Sorry, bro. Get good. Yo, what's next Friday? Yo, next Friday is the 13th. Friday the 13th. W. Hey, Eddie. Appreciate the $4.99. Thank you. Hold on. It's kind of, I think it's raining outside. If it is, I gotta see if the cat's out there. Yep, cat's out the bag. Get back in the bag. Idiot. What's happening now? Can you explain the charts? Yeah, we're done. We're done. I'm going to call it a session here. I'm going to call it a stream. We had NFP. We had a news push. Came up. Closed back in range. Now it's coming down. We don't have a top wick. And you're at a support. Right? So be careful here. If you're looking for sells, let the market actually close bearish. Let price actually break support and close below it and leave you some range. Right? And then you can look for positions. Just be patient. Plus, it's 9:10. If you can get this 30 closure, right? Think about it. 30 bearish closure. Bottom wick is left. You get a top wick on the beginning of the next candle. As it flips, that's NYC volume driving you down. So, right? Play your ranges with your catalyst, right? So you don't have to sit through drawdown, right? So it could take you straight to TP. Yeah, but as for me, I'm going to call it a stream. I'm going to call it a day, and I'm going to call it a week here. I'm going to be done here for the week. There won't be any Asian session signals sent out today because there is no Asian session, right? Everybody in the private group, I'll see you guys on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern to start off the week, right? We'll trade Asian session, market open. So everybody in the signals, Wix table, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Zoom gang, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse chat. It's our stream. You guys can now go raid somebody else's stream. I don't know, TT, I don't know if was there, Stoic. There's a whole bunch of people that are streaming right now, right? Go show some love to Stoic. I know he's been showing up every day, so you know, go show some love. Raid the clubhouse. Yeah, everybody go join our Discord if you want to be part of our daily discussions and discuss positions that we take in the Discord. Oh, Stoic ended his stream early too. All right, well, yeah, we got 2 dubs and it's a Friday. Go enjoy your weekend. Start your weekend early. Me, I'm gonna go sleep for the next few hours. So I'm gonna catch some shut-eye. All right, thank you guys for coming through. Appreciate everybody. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, you already know the deal. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. I'll see you guys Monday, 8 a.m. Same time, same place, live here on YouTube. Private Gang, Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Later.